The demand for green chemistry has opened the market for the integration of natural ingredients in commercial products. Natural dye is a potential area of interest in green cosmetics. The seeds of Bixa aureliana, known as achiote or achuete in particular, are now utilized in the industry as colorants for textile, as it contains carotenoids that provide various colors ranging from dark red, orange, and yellow, and provide antioxidant effects. In cosmetics, Bixin was also found to have sun protective effects as it is now currently employed in some natural sunscreen formulations. The seed also contains high amounts of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. Other than its current uses in the industry, considering this pigment as the primary colorant in lipstick formulations opens possibilities for more cost-efficient and eco-friendly cosmetic productions, as Bixa aureliana plant grows abundantly in tropical places and is already widely used and approved by the World Health Organization as a low-risk natural dye. This led us to our cosmetic product, which contains some innovations. It is an orange-red matte lipstick which provides antioxidant effects and some UV protection. This is the Hot Kiss lipstick. A suitable prototype formulation would be a bullet lipstick formula that involves the Bixa aureliana pigment as its colorant. This formulation involves beeswax 16% and white wax 4% to provide structure and rigidity to the lipstick bullet, while also providing a matte finish to the product. The oil phase of the formula includes mineral oil 26.5% in total emollient, glycerol 10.5% the humectant, cetyl alcohol 4.3% the thickener and emulsifier, and propylparaben 0.05% as the preservative. This oil phase would be used to extract the color from the Bixa aureliana seeds, 25%, since its pigment Bixin is oil soluble. Additional colorants would be used, particularly iron oxide, to adjust the redness of the formulation since the pigment from the seed leans more toward orange and yellow once extracted, and titanium dioxide to add opacity. Other ingredients would be methylparaben, 0.05% of the total formulation, another preservative to achieve better protection against various microorganisms, and a fragrance which can mask the waxy odor of the lipstick formula. The manufacturing procedure to compound a prototype formulation for lipstick begins by melting different waxes, beeswax and white wax. Then, a separate oil phase is prepared by mixing and heating various oils and additives, specifically mineral oil, glycerol, cetyl alcohol, and propylparaben. This oil phase would be where the Bixa aureliana seed's color is extracted. These melted waxes and the oil phase are then carefully mixed. The additional colorants, iron oxide and titanium oxide, are finally ground together to achieve consistent color before being incorporated into the mixture. Finally, another preservative, which is methylparaben, and a mild fragrance are added while continuously mixing. Once everything is well combined, the mixture is poured into molds and cooled to solidify the final lipstick shape.
Next, to evaluate the product, some tests may be done regarding its safety, efficacy, and quality. For safety, skin irritation testing may be done. The product would be applied to the skin and lips to assess and evaluate for any signs of irritation.
For the efficacy, we have sun protection factor determination, in which the product would be applied to the lips to evaluate its claims regarding UV protection. Next, for the lip volume measurements, the volume of the lips would be measured before and after applying the product to test its lip plumping properties. We also have conductance and capacitance test. This test would evaluate the product's moisturizing capabilities. And lastly, we have the spreadability test, in which this test evaluates the lipstick's capability to spread consistently on the intended surfaces.
Another product evaluation is quality. For the break strength, this would establish and assess the hardness and strength of the lipstick. For the melting point determination, this establishes and evaluates the appropriate storage condition of the product. For the rancidity test, this evaluates the effectiveness of the antioxidant agents used in the formulation and their capability in preventing rancidity and oxidation. For the microbiological test, this assesses the effectiveness of the preservatives used in the formulation and of its ability to inhibit the microbial growth. For the pH determination, this test establishes the allowable and safe pH range of the product. Furthermore, this ensures the stability and compatibility of the agents used in the formulation. For the color brightness and strictness, this test ensures the desired and consistent colors in the finished formulated product. Lastly, color matching. This ensures that the product has the desired color properties.
Next is the product packaging. The components that are required in labeling materials to be used for lipsticks based on the ASEAN Cosmetic Directive are the following: name, function, instruction of use, a complete list of ingredients, country of manufacturing, address of the company or MAH of the new product that is responsible for making the new product available in the market, content by weight in the metric system, batch number, expiration date, and special warning and precaution. Here is our box. Next is the label for our lipstick. And finally, here is the promotional material. It highlights two main points. First is that it contains a natural product. These could maximize the product claims brought by the use of the natural ingredient in the lipstick. The natural constituents of the Bixa aureliana seeds, namely the carotenoids bixin and norbixin and vitamin E, provide antioxidant effects that could attract customers who prefer buying green, natural, or organic products. Second is supporting local. Since the plant grows in tropical areas such as the Philippines, it could be a way to support local farmers. It could also be produced locally, thus presenting a uniquely Filipino take on lipstick. Up next is our sample advertisement for the product.